The instructor or the students can wirelessly mirror their mobile device on the displays using AirMedia. On your control panel, there's a button under Sources labeled AirMedia. When you click this button, it gives the instructor and students the option to connect to AirMedia with their laptop and mirror what is on their device to the displays around the room. To connect to all of the displays, use the IP address and code on the control panel. For students to connect to the displays individually, they can each connect with the unique IP address and code on a display. To connect via web browser, PC and Mac, open a web browser on the computer and navigate to the web address or IP address shown on the display. The AirMedia 2 welcome screen will be displayed. Once you have the application downloaded, you can open it. Click Start Presenting. Enter the 4-digit PIN code from the AirMedia screen shown on the display and click Go. To connect to Apple iOS devices, complete the previous steps. Once connected, navigate to the AirPlay button in the dock or menu bar of your device. Select the device to begin mirroring your screen. To connect via Windows Laptop, complete the previous steps. However, once connected, click Start to begin mirroring your device on the display. To use your Miracast Windows Connection option, you can use the Windows Connect menu by pressing the Windows icon and K to display a list of devices. Choose the device you would like to use from the list. AirMedia Canvas Mode allows up to 4 users to present simultaneously on the same screen. To use Canvas Mode, simply connect 2 devices to the same AirMedia screen using the on-screen connection information. The 2 presentations will be displayed side by side. AirMedia automatically optimizes your screen space to accommodate different aspect ratios. This feature cannot be utilized with Miracast, and to share multiple devices to a display, you must use the AirMedia application. To use AirMedia and mirror your screen to the displays, you must be connected to the Wi-Fi EDU room. To contact classroom support for assistance, press the Push to Talk button on the wall-mounted intercom to be connected to a help desk technician. You can also call 704-687-5500 and select option 3 for assistance. Please provide the building name and room number.